Alright, what up YouTube fam? We're gonna go run from Amelia's house to my house. We're gonna see how long it takes, alright? This is gonna be a straight video. Alright, you ready?
No.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Take a photo.
There. Pose. 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 Alright, we're going now. Let's go.
Oh no!
We're doing a jog. My poncho has strings on it. Come on. What? She changed her mind, so now we're not going there, I guess.
Not right now. Maybe
Not right now. Maybe there'll be a part 2 vlog.
Gosh, my butt is soaked. I'm staying outside.
Alright. Peace out, Sam Rosers. Yeah. Follow me on TikTok at SamRoz18.
Peace up.
Yeah.